You know what's crazy? Most people walk past $500 every month without even realizing it. It's hidden between your lunch breaks, Netflix hours, and mindless scrolling, but it's there, waiting. And the best part, you don't have to quit your job, start a business, or become a YouTube star. In this video, I will show you real ways to earn $500 per month from home with just a laptop and a few extra hours per week. So let's unlock your hidden income. Why this matters? $500 per month may not sound life changing, but let's break it down. That's $6,000 a year. It is enough to pay off your debts. It is enough to invest. It is enough to take care of the family, and it is enough to buy your time back. And you know what is the best part? You can do this while keeping your full-time job. Now let me walk you through 6 proven methods, all tested, realistic, and beginner friendly. Number one is freelancing on weekends, writing, virtual assistants, designing, etc. If you can write emails, create presentations, or manage spreadsheets, you can freelance. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer offer gigs in virtual assistants, resume editing, blog writing, PowerPoint creation. Earn You can earn $10 to $50 per gig. Just 2 to 3 gigs a week can bring you $500 per month. The tools which you need to learn are Grammarly, Canva, and ChatGPT. You need to start small, you need to deliver value, and then you can watch it grow. Number two is selling digital products. For example, ebooks, Notion templates, printables. You need to create something once and then you can sell it forever. You don't need to be a designer or coder. You just need to make a budgeting template, a mini ebook, or a daily planner. For this skill you need some platforms just as Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and you can make $5 to $25 per sale. And if you can make just 20 to 25 monthly sales, you can easily fetch $500 from selling digital products. The tools which you will be needing for this skill are Canva, Notion, and Google Docs. There can be a passive income without being an influencer using this skill of selling digital products. Now let's discuss the third method, which is online tutoring or teaching. If you are good at English, math, accounting, Excel, or anything, then you can teach. Platforms like Preply, Cambly, Amazing Talker are available for you. There is no need to have any particular degree or specialization for earning using this online tutoring or teaching method. You can earn easily $8 to $20 per hour, and with just 6 hours per week you can earn $500 per month. And guess what, the bonus here is you can create short video lessons and reuse them over and over again. The fourth method which you can utilize to earn money while keeping your regular full-time job is remote micro jobs and task websites. If Even if you are not in a position to offer a particular service, you can start small with some platforms. For example, respondent.io, for example, appen, or remote tasks AI training, or you can use Amazon Mechanical Turk. These are not glamorous platforms, but they are flexible. You can use them in your free time. And if you can spend 30 minutes a day on each of these platforms or any of these platforms, you can earn real cash over time. So it is something good to start with. The fifth method is affiliate marketing. Even without a website, if you don't have a website, then also you can also earn from affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? You can refer products you already use and you can get paid by offering them for sale. For example, you can sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Payoneer, Grammarly, Canva, Amazon, Coursera.org. Then you can share link in Facebook groups, on your WhatsApp status, or on YouTube video description, and you can earn commission for every sign up. Different platforms offer different commission rate. You just need to check the different platforms and you can easily find the amount of the commission that you can earn by involving in affiliate marketing with these platforms. If you can manage just 3 to 5 affiliate signups per week, then you can earn $100 to $200 per week. You need to scale slowly to $500 per month or more. You can use bit.ly to shorten your links, but you need to be honest and ethical by using these uh, tools to shorten your links. The sixth method is monetizing your skills locally via WhatsApp or Facebook. Don't forget your local power. You can offer CV help to students, you can design visiting cards for shop owners, and you can translate documents if you know more than one languages. So what you need to market through WhatsApp groups, your local Facebook pages, and you can charge $10 to $50 per job. Even if 10 people hire you this month, you are at your goal of earning $500 per month. Now at the end, let's discuss the action plan. What you need to do right now. Exactly after you conclude this video, what you need to do to start earning little money. Here is the start. Here is how to start today. Step number one is pick one skill or method. Step number two is watch one YouTube tutorial or take a free course. Step number three is make a sample. It may be a CV sample, a design, a template, whatever you can do, you need to do. And step number four is post it somewhere. You can post it on Fiverr, on Facebook, on Upwork, on any Facebook group, on your page. And step number five, don't wait. Pitch three people today. At least pitch three people today. The secret is not a magic. The secret is that it's a momentum that can bring money to your way. Now let me tell you the final message is that you already have $500. It's just hidden. The truth is you already have $500 worth of potential inside you. But you have been waiting for permission. Let this video be your permission slip. Start small, be consistent, track your income. Subscribe for weekly ideas on making money online. Comment, I am unlocking my $500 to let me know you are serious. Like this video if you learned something new. And remember, your extra income does not need to be big. It just needs to begin.